Skills for Progression is a very flexible course. It's such a bespoke course because it's aimed at, students on the spectrum, and being a parent, if you've got an autistic student, is such a worry. Having that reassurance of it's a consistent environment, we try and minimise the change on the course, saying members of staff, and making it person-centred to those individuals really makes a huge, huge difference.
I am studying in Skills for Progression in Cardiff and Vale College. I love this college, and it's really good. Like a lot of things, like I make new friends. And also like to try out new things. My personal target is developing independence by managing my time, managing my finances, getting public transport independently, building confidence, trying new things, and building my resilience if things go wrong.
We focus a lot on communication and independence, and it's a nice transition year into college. Learners usually progress on to further study or work, such as supported internships following Skills for Progression.
I am on the Skills for Progression course at Cardiff and Vale College. I was homeschooled for 5 years before deciding to come to college. I was out of education for a while, so it's sort of my first year back into formal education. It's different from school. There's only 4 days for this course, so it helps my mental state much more than it would in school. And also meeting new people is not as hard as I would find it in a school environment. People tend to be nicer. And my music pathway, which I do, is also something I quite enjoy doing.
Learners that might not necessarily have enjoyed school or may not be certain what they want to do, they can access specialist vocational settings in sector-leading environments, and they can use that to make decisions about what they do next. No matter what their background is, a learner will be prepared to take next steps about how they approach their work and about how they develop a specific set of skills that leads to the next step.
So at CAVC, there are a range of facilities that learners can access. We've got our ALN hubs, so if learners need a quieter space or they need to go and access support, they've got the opportunity to do that. We have got breakout rooms where learners may need to go for dysregulation and time to work through their emotions and be supported to be able to engage in their learning. And then we've also got a range of areas like the atrium, where there's access to the shops and other sort of retail outlets that learners can be part of college life, as well as the student life area. And we also have access to health and wellbeing activities across our campuses.
It's really helped, and hopefully it can help other people as well.
Thank you ever so much, and thank you for the teachers, and very, very big thank you for all the support learners and the learning supporter staffs. You've all given me a good granted and a lot of support, even a good sense of humour.